Okay, I'm just gonna completely ignore the condition of this exhaust and just install it as it is. See how long it stays together. Yeah! Says BMW, but I suspect it's made in China. Probably should have lubricated a little bit inside here. Here's one thing I doesn't get. There's a groove in the exhaust here. I think that's there so you can actually change the wheel, get the bolt out, but it's too far forward. Should have been about 3 centimeters that direction backwards, and all the brackets and everything, the brackets fit, so I don't get that. And it's not an aftermarket exhaust. I think it's stamped with BMW OEM number and stamp. So that means that when I am going to install the wheel, I have to get this aft part of the exhaust off. That's a bit of a problem because it's completely rusted together here. I have to sort that out because I don't want to remove everything to get the wheel on. Strange. Okay, then the exhaust is on. It's not perfect, but I think it will work fine. Hope it will stay together for a few thousand kilometers. Some holes here and there, but it's okay. So now I'm gonna get all the old gasoline out of the tank, get it cleaned. I have bought some rust remover. I'm gonna shake it around inside the tank, and then I'm gonna sort out all this fuel hoses and stuff, some filters, get it tightened up and ready to go. The valves actually works great. This is about 28-year-old gasoline. Smells like varnish or something. But I think this gasoline is actually better than the gasoline you will get today. Better quality. I think I'm just gonna drain it out and just fill up with new fresh gasoline. I see no issues. Okay, so I have the hose that goes through to the other side to connect together both sides of the tank. Hooked up the fuel hoses here, but there's a T-piece here. That's just some plastic T-pieces I had laying around. I don't think they are strong enough. I need to find some metal, steel or brass kind of plastic, and they are a little bit fragile. This is the original earthing point for the main main ground. The threads here are worn out. I've made a new cable, and I will try to find another place to get some good ground. I preferably like to ground to the engine or the engine mounts. Okay, made a temporary permanent connection for the ground up here up to the battery. Battery straps. One was a little bit longer than the other one. That's good. Okay, no leaks. If I start it now, I think I will empty the exhaust with rust and shit all over my cabinet. I will have to do something about that. Okay, this could help. Maybe. Yeah, I got exhaust shit all over the place, of course, but it runs. But next time it's the rear wheel. Not looking forward to that job, but we'll see how it goes next time.